Space exploration has long been one of humanity's greatest ambitions. It represents the pinnacle of human potential, a quest to look beyond our planet and uncover the mysteries of the universe. But how do we go from the space race of the 1960s to today's mission of making humanity a multiplanetary species? And what do these efforts mean for our future? Join me as we explore President John F. Kennedy's challenge to land on the moon, the journey since, and the road ahead towards Mars, new resources, and a future full of possibilities. A future where humanity steps beyond its earthly boundaries to create a legacy in the stars. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy delivered a speech that would set the course of space exploration. Standing before Congress, he declared,
"Now it is time to take longer strides. Time for a great new American enterprise. Time for this nation to take a clearly leading role in space achievement, which in many ways may hold the key to our future on Earth."
Kennedy's vision went beyond a mere race to the moon. It was about the spirit of exploration, America's ability to lead the world in a mission that could change the course of history and redefine our future. His words challenged the American people, urging them to unite in the pursuit of something greater than any single nation could achieve alone. The American spirit of exploration. Space exploration was a reflection of America's founding. Just as the explorers who came to the New World created a new place of knowledge, America itself became a land of discovery. Americans always have been driven by ambition and the spirit of exploration. Kennedy's challenge was the next great leap, a pursuit of new frontiers, a quest to shape the future of humanity, and to continue America's tradition of bold innovation. Space race. The Apollo mission, and the moon landing. Kennedy's challenge sparked a fierce race between the United States and the Soviet Union. The world was watching as both superpowers strove to outpace each other in the final frontier. In the early 1960s, the Soviets had the upper hand, having launched the first satellite, the Sputnik, and sent the first human into space. But Kennedy's bold call for a moon landing ignited a sense of urgency and ambition in the United States, backed by a larger budget and a national determination to lead the way. In 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," Armstrong famously said. This marked the United States' triumph in the space race, fulfilling Kennedy's vision. The Apollo missions, with their ambitious goals, proved that when humanity commits to exploring new frontiers, even the impossible becomes achievable. The United States, founded by a nation of explorers, had now reached the farthest point humanity has ever traveled. Their journey to other planets had only just begun. Post-Apollo, space exploration slows. After the success of the Apollo missions, the moment of space exploration began to slow. NASA's focus shifted towards the Space Shuttle program and the International Space Station, or ISS, which became symbols of international collaboration. The Space Shuttle program allowed for reusable spacecraft, and the ISS provided a platform for global cooperation in space research. Yet the moon landing remained the high point of America's space innovators, and space exploration became a part of popular culture through films, books, and emerging digital age. In the decades following Apollo, space exploration became a slower, more measured affair, moving away from the race towards another big goal. While many astronauts spent time on the ISS, the same ambitious spirit that Kennedy ignited seemed to fade into the background. The next great leap for humanity seemed to be fading. However, as the 21st century began, a new force began to emerge that would reignite humanity's ambition to explore beyond the confines of Earth. That force was the private sector, led by visionaries like Elon Musk. The new frontier, Elon Musk vision. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, is leading the charge in this new era of space exploration. His vision stretches far beyond the moon, focused squarely on Mars. Musk founded SpaceX in 2002 with a revolutionary idea to create reusable rockets that would dramatically lower the cost of space travel. By 2020, SpaceX achieved a historic milestone, becoming the first private company to launch humans into orbit with their Crew Dragon spacecraft. Musk's ambition, however, is not limited to Earth's orbit. His sights are set on Mars, aiming not just to land there, but to transform humanity into a multiplanetary species. Mars, according to Musk, is more similar to Earth than the Moon, with its day's length close to Earth, its size, and its potential for utilizing water resources. Musk argues that the stakes are higher than national prestige. This is about humanity's long-term survival. Musk has repeatedly stated that if humanity is to endure, we must venture beyond Earth. With the threats of climate change, resources going down, and geopolitical instability, our survival on Earth is far from guaranteed. But by expanding to other planets, humanity can safeguard its future, reduce the risk of extinction, and preserve Earth's resources. Mars is just the beginning. The ultimate goal is to establish a sustainable presence beyond Earth. A human colony on Mars could one day serve as a backup plan in case a catastrophe happens on Earth. But it could also provide us with new scientific knowledge and resources that could radically change life on Earth. Why Mars? The benefits of space travel. The red planet holds enormous potential, not only for exploration but also for access to valuable resources. As Earth faces the challenge of resources going down, other planets offer opportunities to tap into metals, minerals, and water that could fuel advancements in technology and the industry. But the rewards of space exploration go beyond just resources. The scientific discoveries that we could make on Mars will be invaluable. By studying the red planet, we can learn about its geology, its potential to support life, and its history. Information that could inform not just our future on Mars, but our understanding of life's origin in the universe. Exploration also drives technological innovation. Every mission, whether it's researching Mars or developing new systems, brings technology breakthroughs that have wide range of benefits on Earth. For example, innovations in space technology have already led to advancements in fields like energy production, communication between different parts of Earth, and even medical devices. The benefits of space exploration are not just for the pioneers who venture into the unknown, but for all of humanity. Space as a uniting force. Perhaps most profoundly, space exploration has the power to unite humanity in ways no other endeavor can. Imagine a world where nations put aside their differences to focus on a common goal, expanding humanity beyond Earth. Just as the moon landing united people in awe and wonder, future space missions could create a sense of global unity and shared purpose. The space race in the 1960s saw fierce competition, but it also saw cooperation when needed. Astronauts from different countries worked together on the ISS, and many astronauts, including Americans, learned Russian in preparation for joint missions. This spirit of international collaboration could be crucial as we work together to explore Mars and beyond. If we discover evidence of alien life or tap into the resources that radically change life on Earth, humanity would have something to rally around, something bigger than politics. In a world often divided by politics and conflict, space exploration offers a chance for collaboration. It sparks us to look past our differences and work together for the greater good of all humanity. Beyond Mars, a new frontier. Beyond Mars, the possibilities are limitless. As technology advances, humanity could set its sights on the moons around Jupiter and Saturn, or even venture into distant exoplanets and other star systems. These missions could stretch the boundaries of what we believe is possible, opening new frontiers for growth, discovery, and potential settlement. But space exploration is about more than just the destinations we reach. It's about expanding human potential, inspiring new ways of thinking, and fostering creativity. Just as the exploration of the Americans brought a new way of life, space exploration could bring new forms of art, culture, and social systems. It's a chance to reimagine humanity's future, not confined to a single planet but destined to explore the stars. Space exploration is humanity's backup. Beyond all the benefits of space exploration, there is another vital reason why we push forward: survival. Earth faces numerous challenges, from natural disasters to devastating effects of climate change, a catastrophic event, a global pandemic, an asteroid impact, or even escalating geopolitical tensions could jeopardize our future. Establishing a backup for humanity beyond Earth could be a key to ensuring our survival. A self-sustaining colony on Mars, or even a network of colonies scattered across different planets, could protect humanity from existential risk, giving Earth a second chance if ecosystems fail. Space exploration offers humanity an opportunity to start fresh and ensure that no matter what happens here on Earth, life will continue elsewhere. But it will give us a unique opportunity, and it will give us new perspectives on sustainable research management and environmental protection. Conclusion: a bold future. Space exploration isn't just about rockets, astronauts, or landing on new worlds. It's about human potential. It's about daring to think big, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to unite for a common goal. From JFK's bold vision in the 1960s to Elon Musk's drive to make humanity a multi-planetary species, space exploration has evolved, and its future is limitless. As we look to the stars, the possibilities for growth, discovery, and innovation are endless. The next frontier is waiting. Will humanity rise to the challenge? Only time will tell. If you enjoy this dive into space exploration, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on history, personal growth, and everything that helps better understand our world. There's so much more to explore, whether it's through life lessons, travel stories, and ways to improve ourselves along the way. If you're curious about the history of debates, and how they shaped our world, check out the video on every vice presidential debate in less than 20 minutes. A quick dive into one of the most interesting aspects of US elections. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.